Welcome to our guide on how to cancel a withdrawal on Betmgm. Understanding this process is essential for smooth gaming experiences. First, let's access your Betmgm account. Enter your username and password on the login page. Once logged in, navigate to the withdrawal section from your account dashboard. Here, you can identify any pending withdrawals that are eligible for cancellation. To cancel a withdrawal, simply click on the Cancel button next to the transaction you wish to reverse. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Make sure to review this and confirm the cancellation. After cancellation, you'll receive a notification confirming your request. Keep an eye on your balance. Here are some tips for managing your withdrawals effectively on Betmgm to avoid issues in the future. Some common issues users may face include delays or misunderstanding the status of their withdrawals. And that's it. With practice, managing your withdrawals on Betmgm can be straightforward and stress-free.